Here comes the launch. Sapphire Maverick Miracle holds on. Crystal Champion Omega wins that duel. Lucky Spark Zero finds a lane. Crystal Champion Omega holds on. Sapphire Maverick Miracle finds a lane. Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar edges past Lucky Spark Zero. Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar gets the run on Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar. 40% done, Lucky Spark Zero leads. Amber Voyager Pro steals P3. Radiant Marble Quantum noses in front. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus gets the run on Lucky Spark Zero. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus finds a lane. Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar rebounds. Radiant Marble Quantum Spinner boost. Meteor Falcon Turbo DNF. Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar slips into P2. Radiant Cruiser Zenith out. Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar jumps ahead. Rose Pearl Vertex Brave gets the run on Amber Voyager Pro. Rose Pearl Vertex Brave noses in front. Radiant Marble Quantum vs Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus jumps ahead. Lunar Pulse Fusion vs Amber Voyager Pro. First Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus, second Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar, third Rose Pearl Vertex Brave. Rose Pearl Vertex Brave takes contact. Lunar Pulse Fusion slips into P4. Pressure on Lunar Pulse Fusion. First Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus, second Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar, third Rose Pearl Vertex Brave. Ready for the rush. Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar closes in. Shadow Maverick Vertex Stellar noses in front. Electric Striker Turbo slips into P2. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus edges past Lunar Pulse Fusion. Fast sector for Radiant Marble Quantum, 13.4 meters per second. Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar finds a lane. Radiant Marble Quantum balances speed and control. Lunar Pulse Fusion steals P2. Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar jumps ahead. Lunar Pulse Fusion grabs P1. Lunar Pulse Fusion noses in front. Rose Pearl Vertex Brave kicks out. Radiant Marble Quantum finds a lane. Lunar Pulse Fusion right there. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus jumps ahead. Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar controls it at 60%. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus slips into P1. Electric Striker Turbo gets the run on Lunar Pulse Fusion. Lunar Pulse Fusion vs Radiant Marble Quantum. Lunar Pulse Fusion noses in front. Radiant Marble Quantum catches spin. Lunar Electric Striker Turbo steals P3. Electric Striker Turbo bounces wide. Electric Striker Turbo balances speed and control. Electric Striker Turbo gets the run on Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus. Rate 15.2 meters per second from Electric Striker Turbo, big momentum. Electric Striker Turbo closing. Electric Striker Turbo takes flag. Radiant Marble Quantum jumps ahead. Radiant Marble Quantum shoots across. 4 Advanced. First Electric Striker Turbo, second Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar, third Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus. Pressure on Lunar Pulse Fusion. Radiant Marble Quantum slips into P4. Radiant Marble Quantum takes contact. First Electric Striker Turbo, second Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar, third Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus. Brace for the break. Electric Striker Turbo vs Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus edges past Electric Striker Turbo. Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar gets the run on Electric Striker Turbo. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus bounces wide. Electric Striker Turbo gets the run on Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar. Electric Striker Turbo noses in front. Radiant Marble Quantum balances speed and control. Radiant Electric Striker Turbo gets the run on Radiant Marble Quantum. Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar slips into P2. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus slips into P3. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus bounces wide. Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar Spinner Boost. Electric Striker Turbo balances speed and control. Meteor Radiant Marble Quantum slips into P3. 13.4 meters per second from Electric Striker Turbo, big momentum. Electric Striker Turbo Spinner Boost. Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar still within range. Radiant Marble Quantum finds a lane. Electric Striker Turbo rebounds. Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar snaps forward. Radiant Marble Quantum closes in. Electric Striker Turbo bounces wide. Electric Striker Turbo final push. Electric Striker Turbo wins. Meteor Maverick Zero Nimbus Slingshot. First Electric Striker Turbo, second Radiant Marble Quantum, third Radiant Pearl Vertex Stellar.